heard of Khan Academy? Well, I hope not. It's a very popular website to learn pretty much everything, whether it's reading, maths, or maybe to look for your career. So I've gone there to look at its math courses, and they are amazing. And we can take inspiration from Khan Academy and use it in our codes. So all of the questions here are from the Khan Academy website, so credits to them because they made these questions. So let's look at on how this code is supposed to look like. First, you'll print, welcome to math test. Please type start to begin. So let's type start. And question 1, Emir can run 15 kilometers in 1 hour. How many kilometers can Emir run per minute? There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So here the choices are choice A, 0.25 kilometers, choice B, 4 kilometers, choice C, 900 kilometers. Now by simple math, you can tell definitely choice C is out because 15 divided by 60 is definitely not going to be greater than 15. And now you're left with 2 more options. If you divide 15 by 60, I'm pretty sure it's not going to be a whole number. So I'm going to choose A. And I got it right. So now question 2, what is the least common multiple of 8 and 10? Now, say I don't know this, but the real answer is going to be 40. But if I don't know this and say I put 20. Okay? So the thing, it says that the correct answer was 40. So I got it wrong. Now, question 3. A cat gives birth to 4 kittens. 3 of the kittens have different weights, etc., etc., etc. And here the answer would be B. So, and then question 4, say I'm random guessing the answer and it's C. Oh no, I got, out of 4 questions, I got 2 right. And my score was 2. So it says you need to practice more, try taking the test again. We're not going to take the test again. We're going to see how this code actually is coded. So first, it gave us the input to type start to begin. So that's going to be in our variable A. And this is our points, which finally counted up how many we got right and how many we got wrong. So here's our first question, which is over here from Khan Academy once again. So if A equal to start, which means we definitely want to do this math test, it's going to print the Khan Academy question. Then it's going to prompt them to choose one answer. So if the answer choice is A, which we picked, it would add 1 point. If it was B, it would say the correct answer was A, and if it was C, it would say the correct answer was A. So another way to do that is instead of putting these elif statements, you could just do another else statement to say else print the correct answer was A. Here we have question 2, which is what is the least multiple of 8 and 10? If C is equal to 40, print well done, and then add up 1 point, else print the correct answer is 40. And all these questions follow that same guideline. So again, the question, the choices, it'll prompt you to pick one answer, and then if the answer is B, it'll print well done and add up 1 point. And if it was something else, then it'll say the correct answer is B. And same with question 4. And then to print out how much points you got, it'll say your score is semicolon. And then notice that these are in colons, but this is not, because this is turning into a string. It doesn't need it. And then you're going to pretty much glue those two parts together to form the sentence. And then the variable points, if points is less than 3, which means if you got more than one wrong, or if you got less than 3 correct, then it'll say you need to practice more, try taking the test again. Else, if you got 3 or 4, then it'll pray, you are amazing. And that's it. It's a very short code. And using what we learned in Khan Academy, we can just code this simple code.